This is life in the mountain. This is mountain living.
Yeah.
In the winter. You never know what's going to happen.
Okay, we finally got some snow here in the San Juan Basin, huh?
We have. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to keep going through Friday night.
Yeah.
Storm warning in
Yep.
Pagosa. There's a little bit of a break, so we're going for a walk down to the river.
We think we are, anyway. I'm filming from above. That's what you want, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's much better, huh?
I don't know. I can't really see it.
I'm not sure I can see it very well either.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm getting cut off or you are or...
No,
Yeah.
I think I can see you. We're doing okay.
Okay.
Just like real vloggers.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just like professional vloggers.
Yeah.
Except we're in a snowstorm.
Looks like... Okay. Yeah.
Huh?
Looks like you're cutting my left side off. Are you?
Oh, no. Can't do that.
I don't know. So, we finally have snow.
Well, this is the right camera for this because it's weatherproof.
Oh, that's good.
Any of the other cameras, like the Osmo 3, probably would not do well in this weather.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And definitely not the Sony's. This is the right camera for this job,
Okay.
such as it is. So the equipment we're using is the Osmo DJI Action 5, and the DJI Mic 2 for both of us. Oh, it's kind of pretty when the sun comes out.
Yeah.
The storm is still rolling in over the mountains.
Yeah. It's kind of fun watching it roll on in and then clear up and then roll on in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't even see the mountain right now.
Yeah. Okay. It's selfie time.
Yeah.
Selfie vloggy. Here we are, and there's the river. We made it.
Yay.
Yay.
We should go this way so you can see. Oh, I guess you can't.
What?
Continental Divide. Usually you can see it behind us right here.
I can't see anything over there.
It's all one big cloud.
Yeah, I can't see. Okay, this is why you
Whoa.
use an action camera.
Yeah.
So,
Just
this
a
is-
lovely day strolling in the mountains.
Yeah, this camera's weatherproof, the Action 5. Thank God, because there's lots of weather.
Oh,
All the weather you could hope for.
yeah.
I'm going to turn it around so you can see the snow pelting us in the face. There you go.
Woo! And what is it
Yikes.
they say? There's no such thing as bad weather, it's only bad clothing.
Okay, well, that's one.
Actually, I'm pretty nice and warm, except for my face.
Really?
Yeah. And the snow is like little, little pellets.
Well, we're almost to the North Pole. Only got about 3 or 4 kilometers to go, and
Yeah.
we'll be there.
Yep.
Sheesh. I don't know if the mics are picking up the wind or not. I guess this is a rather extreme test of the wind protection on the Mics. Be interesting to hear if there's any sound at all. We're facing right into the wind.
Yeah.
We do have a little wind things on the mics. So I don't know if you can see it. It'll be interesting to see if that works or not. This is rather an extreme test of that.